Thursday, short and important news. Baghlan and Khost councils of scholars were established. Based on the decree of His Highness Amirul Mu'mineen, Baghlan and Khost councils of scholars were established. A newly built road was put into operation. A road worth 4.5 million Afghanis, 340 meters long and 9 meters wide, was put into operation by the Kabul municipality in Karabakh district of Kabul. The central bank will auction $15 million to keep the value of Afghani currency stable in the market against foreign exchange. The Afghanistan Bank announced auctioning $15 million by Saturday, 24 December 2022. An operation on a hideout of Khawarij was carried out. Special forces of the Islamic Emirate carried out an operation on a hideout of Khawarij, resulting in 3 Daesh militants killed and a key member arrested, while scores of explosives, sticky mines, hand grenades, and 3 Kalashnikov rifles seized. New cooking oil factory opened in Helmand. A cooking oil production and cotton processing factories opened in Lashkargah, the capital city of Helmand. Moreover, with the opening of these 2 factories, over 120 people were provided job opportunity. Land usurpation issue will be taken seriously. Justice Minister and Land Grabbing Prevention Commission head said in a seminar explaining bill approved by Amirul Mu'mineen to prevent land usurpation in Herat that land usurpation issue will be taken seriously and no one will be allowed to grab government lands. 23 convicts were punished. Supreme Court of Afghanistan says 23 convicts, including 2 women, were punished with Tazri punishment in public in the sports stadium of Trencourt City, the capital of Uruzgan province, today for crimes of theft, armed robbery, burglary, illicit relationship. Food and non-food stuff distributed to 400 families. Afghan Red Crescent Society has distributed food and non-food stuff to 400 vulnerable and deserving families in the district of Paktikar